Yesterday, gold created a bullish candle where the price could not manage to make a bullish break at about 3371.17, and we can see the price did not move down below 3285.87 as support level. The price is bouncing from this area of support, this confluence of support, and the price returns back up. And we can see currently the price is trying to make another bullish breakout today, but we'll see much more closely what happens on the lower time frames. Yesterday, I have shared with the traders this bearish breakout here that has been formed around this area of resistance inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and this was a successful trade yesterday. And during the day we can see the price is jumping around this area of support, and finally we can see the price form a small bullish pin bar targeting higher price levels. The price returned back up, did not reach the next resistance level, we can see that here, but then price returned back down, trying to make another bearish breakout going further down below. But we can see it was a confluence of support because we have a trend line acting as a support, we have a horizontal line acting as a support, and we can see the price has stopped right here, the support, forming a bearish breakout here with this bearish candle, and then forming another bullish breakout, which has been invalidation of this bearish breakout. This invalidation of this bearish breakout with this bullish breakout, this is a trigger for the price to move to the higher price levels. This bullish breakout I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, targeting around this area here. And this was also again a profitable trade from the yesterday. So we had two profitable trades, this one here and this one here inside the premium analysis. You can also join if you would like. The link will be below in the description. From there we can see the price try to move higher, and the price has formed a bullish break at about 3353.02. And here we can see the price has touched the daily resistance. This has happened several hours ago in this day, and we can see the price returning back down. So the resistance here, it's slightly stronger than it is currently a bullish movement that has pushed the price from here, where the price has formed this invalidation of this bearish breakout and this bullish breakout. So the price is currently jumping around this one here, and we can see that currently the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline down. So we'll see how the price will behave today. What we can see on the 1 hour time frame, currently the price is trying to move to the higher price levels, and we can see if we make this one here like this, we will see an uptrend channel that is currently forming, and the price will try to move to the higher price levels. So the 1 hour time frame is showing that we could see the price moving higher. 4 hour time frame is currently showing me that we had here a bullish candle. It is a bullish candle that has pushed the price up, and we can see currently the price has formed this bearish pin bar. This bearish pin bar is in the middle of this resistance and the support, so I do not have too much significance on this one. It is not suggesting further decline, a value at least something that will be a strong one. But currently what I can see, the price is forming, it is forming this low, which is currently this one is higher low, so it is also suggesting further rise in value. But the very important resistance level will be this one, 3371.17, which will allow the price to move to the higher price levels. The daily time frame shows me that after the price has reached this area of support, the price returned back up, and it has touched this area of resistance. So currently what I can see, it is very important for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels. But if the price goes below, and that means around this area here, around 3333 and also 3326, if the price goes further down below this one, it will also allow the price to move to the lower time levels. Now if we go here, we will see that 3320, 3319 is a very important support level that is holding the price from yesterday, and if the price returns back down, it will be a very important support level because it will be again confluence of support that will prevent the price from falling further down. So for now I am currently cautious because today is also a Friday. A Friday is the day when the traders log their profits and get out from their trades, which could also move the price in one of the directions. In which direction could the price go? I do not know that currently because it's not very obvious about the price movement currently on the chart, and also the chart formation that I currently see. It's not very clear how the price will behave. But what I can see and also what I can see currently from the chart, and I'm pretty sure that the price will likely, and also I'm expecting that the price will try to move to the higher price levels because of this small downtrend channel that has been formed, and it has been broken with this movement here, where the price is returning back down just to return to test the previous resistance, now acting as support, and we can see this one is here to try the price move higher price levels. So I'm more inclined to see the price moving higher, but let's see how the price will behave today around this area of resistance, and will the price manage to make a bearish breakout below this one. If the price returns back inside this range area, it will move sideways, and then it will be much better to wait outside until the market makes a move and makes a bullish or bearish breakout. Feel free to join the premium analysis inside, where I share the details with the bullish and bearish breakouts I have explained yesterday, like this one here targeting the lower targeting support level, and this bullish breakout targeting higher price levels. Both of them were successful, and also there are other symbols, you can see them here, that I also shared inside the premium analysis with the breakouts. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.